Alright, so I have with me the Galaxy S22 Ultra in graphite color. This is an exclusive color. To be honest, I wanted to get the green one first, but I felt like everybody's going for the green or black maybe. So this is exclusive, not everybody has it. And not that this is gonna make me a better person, but I feel like the graphite kind of looked nice in the picture. So let's take a look at it. Besides that, I have the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and this is also in graphite, but it seems like this is much darker. It's kind of black, but let's take a look at this one. Yep, as you can see, it's I don't know, it looks gray to me, but if Samsung wants to call it graphite, then we're gonna call it graphite as well. But if you compare the graphite, these two graphite colors, let me take a look. There's an absolute difference. Whatever. Let's put this aside. We know there's not much else inside, so there's just a SIM card tool and the USB-C cable. That is it. But the phone definitely doesn't feel like it feels heavy, but it's not as heavy as I thought it would be. I really appreciated that Samsung changed the camera bump design. I'm thinking maybe in the next few years we won't even see any bumps at all, so it's just gonna be a flat design, hopefully. But I don't think I'm gonna regret buying this color. It definitely looks really nice. And I don't know if you know about this, but exclusive colors are the only ones that come with an S Pen of the same color. So this S Pen comes with the same color, the graphite color, whereas the regular models have a black one, I believe. So that's a nice perk as well. So what do you think of this? What do you think of the graphite color? I think it looks really nice. I definitely enjoy having this new kind of camera lens design on the back of the phone. The rest of it is just a Samsung phone. Really looks very familiar to me. And by the way, this one comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM, which is plenty, and 256 gigabytes of storage, which is all right. I really wish they could keep the memory card slot, which is something that I believe all Samsung users want from Samsung, but they just don't do it. They just don't care. But maybe we'll see that again in the future. You know, when you're buying such an expensive phone, it's really important that you actually feel it. You actually feel the worthiness of the phone. And I'm really glad to say that it does feel like a premium phone. Yeah, so you can take a look at it from different angles. See, it's something that you might be interested in buying. I was really worried if this is gonna be a dull color. Is it gonna be shiny or is it gonna be very dull and boring? The first impressions are great. I really like the color, and I appreciate that the S Pen also comes with the matching color, so that's a bonus. But you know what? Maybe in the camera you can't really tell how it looks. So I can tell you, I can describe it that it's not a dull color, it's not super shiny, but there's a bit of a shine to it too. And I can see that it can, you can leave some fingerprints on it too, but it's not that bad, at least for now. You know, I really enjoy having the fingerprint sensor on my phone, and the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor on Samsung phones work just great, and I really like them. Alright, so here's something I can guarantee nobody has told you before, and that is that every time I'm holding the phone, I'm right-handed, and every time I'm holding the phone, my index finger is actually touching the lowest lens here, and it's obviously leaving some fingerprint on it, and it's kind of annoying to touch it every time I'm holding the phone. And now I want to test and see if it wobbles on a flat surface. So let's see. Whoops, it does. I really didn't think it would. Now this phone is giving me some deja vu right now, because this little guy is reminding me of my first ever Samsung phone, which was a Galaxy Note, and I have it right over here. It's right here. Take a look at this S Pen. It was amazing to have this, and I noticed that this is on the right side of the phone, whereas currently it's on the left side. I don't know if I have any preference for either side, but you know, that's the way it is. And maybe to give you some comparison of the size, take a look at these two. So if you have any questions about this phone or about this particular color, or you want me to do a review, let me know and I'll be sure to check them out. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.